Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, ACCUPLACER Review, Arithmetic, Problem 17. This is the Arithmetic ACCUPLACER Review, Problem 17. We have 10 over 3.5, and we want to work on that until it matches one of four possible options that's given. So 10 over 3.5, the first thing I'm going to do is write this so each fraction has just a numerator and a denominator. The 10 is a little bit easier to deal with. 10 can be written as 10 over 1. So now it has a numerator and a denominator, or top and bottom if you prefer. The 3.5 I'm going to convert into 7 halves. And the way to do that is you take the bottom number of the original 3.5 and go up towards the number in front and you multiply. 2 times 3 is going to give you a result of 6. Take that result of 6, and when you come up at the number that was in the numerator, you're going to add. So the result of 6 from the 2 times 3 plus the 1 more that was in the numerator, 6 plus 1 more, there's the 7. And then the denominator was 2, it stays 2. So I've rewritten the problem as 10 over 1 over 7 over 2. And it looks like I've made it even worse, but actually this is a step in the right direction. This fraction over a fraction is called a compound fraction. And now what you do is you leave the top fraction the way it is. So it's 10 over 1, it's going to stay 10 over 1. The fraction from the bottom, it will be inverted or flipped. That 7 over 2 will turn into a 2 over 7. And now instead of a divide, because the fraction is a type of divide, once you've inverted the lower fraction, the problem changes to a multiply. So now when you multiply, I'm going to go top times top, bottom times bottom, reduce if I can. When I do top times top, that's going to give me 10 times 2, which is 20. And then bottom times bottom, 1 times 7 is 7. So I get 20 over 7. Can I reduce that? No. Now when I check my answers, the four possible options, I do not see my answer of 20 over 7. So uh-oh. But what's going on is my answer of 20 over 7 is one of the four available options. It's just written in a different form. So since I didn't see it, that 20 over 7, I'm going to change that to a mixed number. So since my denominator is 7, I can see that 14 over 7 reduces to 2. So if I take a 14 over 7 out of the 20, 14 out of 20, that's going to leave 6 more. So this 20 over 7, the 2 can be a 14 over 7, and then 6 over 7 more. It's still the same. 2 and 6/7 is the same as 20 over 7. Or you can multiply coming up. 2 times 7 times 2 is 14, and then 14 plus number on top, 14 plus 6. It is the same as 20 over 7. Now, 2 and 6/7, if I check my four available options given in the question, option C is 2 and 6/7. My answer can be written as 2 and 6/7. So the answer is option C.